Okay. Gawa tayo ng sauce ng steamed fish. I need oyster sauce. Kunyari. I need soy sauce. Garlic. Yan, nagre-request sila ng cooking show.
Si Dulce's Kitchen ang marunong magluto.
Welcome to Dulce's Kitchen. This is I'm making a sauce for the steamed fish. The
Uploaded by Glamour Moments.
Then a little vinegar. A little oil. I use extra virgin oil.
Mix, mix, mix.
And then sugar. I need brown sugar so that it tastes like sweet and salty. And that's it. And then haluin po natin. Yan. Ito po yun. Kita?
Kita yan.
Smells
good.
It's like Chinese restaurant. Okay, and then mag-i-steam na ako ng fish.
What's that?
Onion spring. And then the fish. Ano ba yun? Katipisan, hindi ko mabuksan.
Alexa, what's your notification?
You have one new update. On Saturday, there's a chance of snow near you in Park Ridge, starting around 10 p.m. and stopping around 11 p.m.
It's okay, it's winter.
Put the salt.
What kind of fish?
Codfish. Look at this. It's so white. This is a codfish. Putol.
That's right.
Yeah. Nakapag-vlog sa kaliwa. Yung kanan ay may gloves. And then, little pepper. Ano pa na? I-steam lang po natin yan. Pati kasama na ang ano. Wala pa palang tubig. Steam po lang natin. Madali po itong maluto, itong codfish.
Ilang minutes?
Stop. I'm not doing minutes. I will just look at and check.
Okay, we will be back.
Just maybe 30 minutes or so.
Luto na. Ooh, bango.
Yeah, it smells good. Ay, naputol. Because it's na overcooked na. Ah, don't do that.
Ano ka lang spatula? O ano?
Maybe.
Yan. Sayang.
I know.
Nahulog. Sorry. Smells good.
I remember I have a banana leaves and forgot to put it.
Next time.
This is cooked already too. See? How easy it is. I love you. May ulam na po kami.
Pero lalagyan na ng sauce.
Eto na po. Kita?
Yes. Go ahead. Sarap. Kain tayo.
Mali. Papainitin ko pa muna ito. Okay na. Ang bango. Smell good. Steamed fish with Chinese sauce.
Alright.
Smell
Kainan na. Sarap. Ang bango. Focus natin. Ayan.
Baga talaga nga maano toothpick. Toothpick. Ano yan? Ang chopstick ay baganda ng pagkusina pang ay isa mahaba masyado eh.